I want to add some annotation to this drawing. I'll start by using text. If I select the text tool at the top, I can click and drag anywhere in the drawing to create a text box. Then I can type my text and click anywhere outside the box to complete it. So I'm going to add a few more text boxes around each of these views to label them. Now I'm going to create a leader note. Let's select the tip of the blade in the bottom view to place the arrowhead, then click again to place the opposite end. I'll add some text, and then click outside the text box when I'm done. If I want to edit the text, I can double-click it, and I can change the boundaries of the text by adjusting the margins up above it. Now let's add some dimensions. I'll go up to Annotation at the top and select Linear Dimension from the toolbar. I'm prompted to specify a first extension line origin, so I'm going to click this corner. And then I'm prompted to specify a second extension line origin, so I'm going to select this end of the knife. And then I'll click to place the dimension. The measurement gets calculated automatically. A linear dimension measures either the vertical or horizontal distance between 2 points. But now let's add an aligned dimension, which measures the true distance between the points I select. I'll specify 2 points, and I get a dimension expressing the distance between them. I can select the text and move it if I want to. Now let's add an angular dimension. If I select angular dimension from Annotation, I can then simply select a curved edge, and its angle automatically displays as a dimension. Now let's add a radial dimension. All I have to do is select a curve on the object. And let's put in a diameter dimension for this knob here. There are a couple other dimension tools I can use to create dimensions even faster. Let's, for a minute, erase this linear dimension here and create a new dimension at the base of this knife. I can then use the baseline dimension tool to create multiple dimensions, all originating from the same extension line. Each new location I click creates a new dimension from that original base point. If I go back to that original dimension, I can also create chain dimensions, which place adjacent dimensions one after another. I can also modify the properties of any dimension by double-clicking it. Here you'll see I can change the precision, add alternate units, and give a particular dimension tolerance, representation, and inspection characteristics. Take a look at Part 3 to see how to work with the bill of materials and for more about modifying settings.